So, you know, I'm like a squirrel. I cannot sit still. So, during the week, I'm in Boston helping Lindy and David on their seaport design. But on the weekends, I try to pick up some jobs so I don't have to do chores like grocery shopping and going to the dump. So, this is a 100-year-old wicker crib that I'm restoring, literally one little piece at a time with a very mild water solution, just a little bit of soap. And then after I clean it all, then I will be taking and sanding it very gently because it's so old and I don't want to harm what's here. But what's cool is I was trying to find the history. And did you know that Cyrus Wakefield was walking along the Boston Harbor and found old piles of rattan, which was the material that they used to use to keep the cargo from not sliding on ships. So he picked it up, he went home, and he wrapped it around his chair, and boom, wicker furniture was invented. So cool because Wakefield is literally 30 minutes from my house. So anyway, I will show you how this project goes. It's really cool. So after I sand it, I'm going to repaint it and try to figure out if this is from Wakefield or not. I can't find any name on it yet, but I'll keep you posted.